Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I make chicken sauce with potato chips. So guys can see the tomato. This is pepper, blended pepper. I can add it now. So I blend my pepper, keep for fridge to use it. So with tomato, onion and oil and pepper, you can fry together. This is the chicken I will use. I've already fried the chicken, cut it in pieces and fry it. This is the sauce. How to fry the tomato very well before putting the chicken and you season it. So you guys wash it. It's just a simple menu that you can use it. This is the seasoning that I add. It's just a simple menu that you can do and use it for your breakfast or lunch, even dinner. They like to. So you allow it to fry like about 5 minutes before putting the chicken inside. Keep washing. And here is the potato that can fry. This is the chips and fry. So to allow it to fry very well, it get very crispy. It's a simple menu. I just want to show you guys. You can make something. Sometimes you think what to eat. When you have Irish potato in the house, you can make your chips and your sauce, chicken sauce, even goat meat sauce. If you have fish, you can also do fish sauce. Even beef can do sauce. Just to cut your tomato and do it. Keep washing. Let's go back to sauce. So guys can see, now pour the chicken inside. You allow it about 5 minutes inside before you off your light, so that the sauce will enter inside the chicken. You see? So I'll leave it like 5 minutes. This is one portion that I prepare. If I want to prepare like 2 portions, I'll do it. So you guys can see, I'll off the light. The sauce is set. Now off the light. You can see, this is one portion of chicken and chips that I prepare. So if you want to make it like 2 or 3 people, you can add more chicken and more potato to fry it. So this is one portion that I prepare for one. This is for one. So if I want to make it like 2, 3, 4, 5 people, I'll do I'll add a chicken like 2, 3 inside. So keep washing. So let's check our chips. That is set. Wow, it needs more to dry. Let's leave it like 3 to 4 minutes. So guys can see it's set. Now off the light. So you allow the water to drain before you pour it on the plate, on the dinner plate. My plate is here, set already, waiting for the chips. Wow. So you guys can see our chicken sauce with chips, with potato chips. Is it not looking yummy? I invite you guys to try it in your home and see. You will love it. You can see, this is how I prepare it. Very, very yummy. Try it for your children. I know children will like something like this. So guys can see, very, very yummy. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.